Good morning, everybody. This is your DAX setups for today. So still a slow grind to the upside, no real pullback to speak of. But if you have a very careful look at what price action is telling you right now, strong move up and sort of a big strong move up, and then we're going sideways into a channel. So I'm still very wary of actually jumping in long on here. Right now, this is a level of support, that's 18,481, which is also the bottom of that channel slash flag, and then we have another key level at 18,389. Bear in mind we've still got this all-time high just above us, and we do that, and let's take the next fractal. So that's the zone. And we just missed 18,603, but that's kind of the rejection area. Look at your oscillators. This is telling you that we are extremely tired at the moment, extremely overbought. So not really looking to jump in long here. I want to be long, but I want to be long off, as I said yesterday, something with substance, and that would be round about 18,300. When we drill down through the time frames, nothing really changes on the 3 hour. You can see big move up and then pretty much sideways. Oscillators extremely overbought. We are in an uptrend, there's no doubt about that, but you don't want to be jumping in at the top of the uptrend. You want to wait for the pullback, wait for the base to be built and jump in on that, and that's your sure bet trade. So yesterday, big up, big down, continuation up, but look at this diversion that is forming. Confirm out ever so slightly. We've got a little bit of a high. Remember that just going into the close, we've got a higher high, but oscillators lower high. So I am skeptical of longs at the moment up there. I would definitely look at 18,509 and 18,481 area. That's kind of the zone that I would be paying attention to today, but it's going to have to be rock solid, because this kind of price action above and below moving averages like this is never conducive to a decent setup. And then if you see the oscillators here all over the place, that's also just an indication of confusion. So we know that the US market was confused. The S&P 500 was a mess yesterday, so it just followed through, and at the moment look what's happening. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. So I'm reluctant to jump in long here. I will consider something in this 18,481. When I say that, I will watch to see if there is some decent price action happening here. But I think you want a deeper pullback, and that deeper pullback, which would be a flag target, is this zone here at 18,481 and 18,450. That's the zone that I would be paying attention to. If we get through that, then I would expect a much deeper pullback, which I'd love a little bit more, and that's 18,300, which would be definitely a zone that I'd want to be buying in on. So until we get a deeper pullback, I am not interested in this. It's probably either going to range, or it's just going to keep grinding a little bit higher and into 18,603, 18,639 before we have the pullback. So I just want a decent setup. I'm not really interested in a couple of pips. I want a decent amount of pips, and I want a decent profitable trade. So that's me sitting on the sides, wait until we get a deeper pullback before committing to a trade. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.